Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, I'm going to talk on reversal pattern and how to spot them. So before we start, I would like you to go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Let's go. So in spotting your reversal pattern, go to your higher time frame and mark those resistance and support. Once you finish marking them, then you know that whenever the price is retracing back to any resistance or support, it must be breaking low or breaking high. So you expect that high or low to change. So we have majorly three types of pattern that will show you that the price wants to reverse to the opposite side. Number one pattern is double bottom. Once you break the neckline, it is up. This is a reversal pattern. At this point now, if the retest happen on the support of the first leg, we confirm the kind of candlestick it is splitting of that particular second leg. Like for example, like let me mark this one that has this second leg here. Then you go to 5 minutes. Now let's check that particular zone. If you go to 5 minutes now, you see the second leg, the price moved down, then created high, retest back. This is like a shift of structure, but here now you break the structure, then retested on it. If you mark this level, so once you see this type of leg now, you will enter. It's still another type of reversal pattern, but this one I'm not showing you the example. You will enter. Once you enter on this retest, you can easily enter here. Let me use this. Can easily enter on this candle that moves up like this. Then your support your stop loss below this one. Then take profit. You move it above the when you know that the price is going to go back at that place that the price start retesting. So let me move this. Do you see where we started entering? So we did not even enter at this point, but we see that the trend has already changed at this point. Then we enter at this level. Then look at your stop, your take profit should be here, or you move it up because it's going to definitely do high. So that's how this number one, which is what we call double bottom, and the opposite is double top. Double top is for downtrend when the price is on this kind of zone like that. So okay, let's look at how double top look like. So this is number one, but we still have another pattern that we also call, this one we can classify it as double top one. This is the number one. So but the way I will be drawing it, that is the way they are strong. Like this one, the one I want to draw now is stronger than this one. So we still have the one like this. Double bottom, I mean to say, but this one is stronger than this one's here. The opposite is double top too. It can be like this too. So you get. So we still have the one like this. You get. So these are the different types of double top or double bottom that you can see whenever the trend wants to change. It will happen in smaller time frame. It will also happen in higher time frame. This is the kind of a pattern you will see. Another pattern is head and shoulder pattern. This type of pattern. This one is inverse head and shoulder. So this type of inverse head and shoulder pattern will always happen before that period of reversal, before the price will reverse. And know that head and shoulder pattern may not necessarily form this way. So some of them will form. We have complicated one and simple one. These are the simple one. Simple one are easily to identify, but complicated one will be hard to identify, so except you've known how head and shoulder pattern used to form very well before you identify them. So that is it. So another one we have again is with this pattern are different, but as this one is double bottom, this one also is double bottom, then this one also, okay, this one also is double bottom, this one is head and shoulder pattern. Then we still have the one called wedge, but wedge is not normally, like, it's not very strong like all these ones I mentioned here. So all this type of
flag pattern.
Flag pattern is continuation pattern. All this type of pattern that you see here now, just these ones I draw here, we still have them in opposite way. Like this one is for this one, then this kind of one we still have them like this.
Opposite direction.
Yes. So all this has meaning. This one is when the price grab to liquidity. This one is equal bottom, that the strength is equal at this point. They cannot pass it. Then this one is when they grab more liquidity. This one is when it grab more liquidity at the downside before pushing up. You see the same pattern here. When you see that the second leg is forming this way, you know that yes, this one is going to continue up. Then you will not be waiting for the second leg to completely form or close. Once you see that the trend is forming this way, you now take it. So if you go to 15 minutes, look at 15 minutes zoom. You look at it, the same thing. You see that the price continue. So this pattern also, the kind of pattern I draw here now, you see that there are different patterns. Like the time frame will always present its own pattern. You get. So that is it. So next thing, you still see the double top, but at this key zone you always wait for it. Okay, this one happen in 15 minutes. You see that every time frame has its own this thing, but this one that happened on 15 minutes, let me show you. The key zone is on 1 hour, like the area of interest is on 1 hour. Look at it here. Do you get it? So but look at, you go to 15 minutes, then you see that the first leg has already formed. But where is the second leg going to stop? So the second leg you don't really know. Then you now circle it. You now, by that time the price will be at this point. Then let me circle it. Let's go and check where the second leg will go to 5 minutes now. Then look at 5 minutes. Here is our neckline. You see, once the price comes here, break our neckline, it continues going up. So you see it here. This kind of, see the first leg, see another one, chassis break, continue going up. Okay, let's still go to 1 minute, so you will see that there is a trend on inside those things. Okay, now look at 1 minute. Look at 1 minute. You see what happened here? You see there is one leg, this second leg, then break above. Then this one, so the rate is supposed to come in, but you can see the rejection. The rejection will continue. Like if you want to mark it, now we mark on this week. On that week now is like a support level now, and this type of candlestick is showing you bullish. So it has price retested. By this way now you will notice that the price is not going to continue down, is going to revise, because the first leg has already formed. The second leg is the one you want to follow. You get now. So that is it. So, and all this reversal pattern always form in any trend. You can see that this one is trending down. See, but looking at here, that is when it starts reversing. So that is the thing.